Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF from Google Drive to Weebly. This is incredibly useful if you want to display documents, brochures, or reports directly on your website without requiring visitors to download them first. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Look at the left menu where you'll see the website option and click it. Under that, you'll find Edit Site, so go ahead and click that as well. Now you'll need to choose which website you want to edit from your list of sites. Once you've selected it, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly to the editor page of your website where you can make all your design and content changes. Before we continue working in Weebly, we need to get the embedded code for our PDF from Google Drive. So open a new tab and go to your Google Drive. Locate the PDF file you want to embed and select it. Click the share icon, which typically appears at the top of the screen. In the General Access section, make sure it's set to anyone with the link. This ensures that anyone viewing your website will be able to see the PDF without needing special permissions. Next, click the three dots on that PDF file to open a menu. From there, click Open With, and then click Open a new tab. This will display your PDF in a new browser tab. Now click File at the top left, then click Share, and finally click Get Embed Link. This generates the special code you need to embed the PDF on your website. Go ahead and copy this code. Now that we have the embedded code for our PDF file from Google Drive, let's head back to the editor page on Weebly. On the top menu, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your website. Focus on the left side menu and find the embed code element. If you can't find it right away, just click Show All Elements to expand the full list of available options. Once you've located the embed code element, simply drag it into your website wherever you want the PDF to appear. Click on the element you just added and you'll see an option to edit custom HTML. Click that and a text box will appear. This is where you'll paste the embedded code you copied from Google Drive earlier. After pasting the code, your PDF should now be embedded and visible on your Weebly site. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a PDF from Google Drive directly into your Weebly website, making it easy for visitors to view your documents right on the page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.